Welcome back to Celeb Corner KE. Natumai mko poa, mko salama popote ambapo mnatutazama. Ileo katika eneo la Mlima Kenya, baada ya Justice Chacha ama Jaji Chacha kuweza kutoa amri ya kwamba uapisho wa naibu mpya wa rais Kithure Kindiki kuweza kusitishwa. Eneo la Mlima Kenya furaha ilizidi, watu wakiweza sawa kuzungumza jinsi ambavyo William Ruto ameweza kushindwa katika vita hivi. But I'm here to tell you that it is not over until it is said that it is over. Now, it's not only that the judge decided to stop the swearing in and the appointment of a new deputy president, but also went ahead to call upon the CJ or the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya to revisit the case on the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. But where did the mistake come from? And why is Kithure Kindiki going to be sworn in tomorrow at the Uhuru Gardens ground in Lang'ata? Because as we all know, pictures have been made public, and a lot of politicians led by the former Cabinet Secretary of Trade, Bwana Moses Kuria, has revealed that they are preparing to swear in the third Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya tomorrow on Saturday. It doesn't matter the court orders. Now, this is where the mistake and which makes the court order that was given by Justice Chacha null and void. Because it seems that there is nothing they can do. In the morning today at 9:30, the Speaker of National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, convened a meeting, and in the said sitting in the National Assembly, revealed to the people of the Republic of Kenya and also to the members of Parliament in the proceedings that he had received a message from the President of the Republic of Kenya, who has the mandate to appoint a new Deputy President, that he has nominated Kithure Kindiki as the new Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. A message that echoed volumes around the country. Now, after making this public, remember the impeachment happened yesterday, which was on 17th of October. After being impeached around 1 hour to midnight, a Gazette notice was issued by midnight that Rigathi Gachagua had been ousted as the incumbent Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, which means it was made public that Rigathi Gachagua has left the office and he ceases to hold power as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and his security, together with everything that every benefit that was accorded to him as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, was withdrawn yesterday night, including security, is things being moved out of the current residence. That happened yesterday night. Now, after the morning sitting, the members of National Assembly voted on the nomination of Kithure Kindiki, and all of the members of Parliament who were in that sitting today voted in support of the motion to have Kithure Kindiki as the next Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. By Satano, they had already made the decision. 20 minutes later, after the decision was made, a Gazette notice was publicized and issued that Kithure Kindiki is now the acting Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, who has been vetted by the National Assembly and approved by the voting of the members of Parliament. So, in a span of 2 hours, Kithure Kindiki had been made, and publicly the notice, the Gazette notice had been issued that he is now the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Now, 20 minutes later, after the Gazette notice of making Kithure Kindiki the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, a new notice and a court order from Justice Chacha of the High Court at Milimani Law Court issued another contradicting statement, which barred Kithure Kindiki from being nominated and being appointed and sworn in as the new Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Now, this came late. The court order came late, which means It was null and void. It didn't have the merit to stop Kithure Kindiki from being the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. So whatever Chief Justice does is null and void. The judges that are said to be appointed to discuss these were late. The petitioners were late to give their petition. If their petition was given early and the ruling was made before the members of parliament convened a meeting and voted and gazetted that Kithure Kindiki was the deputy president, then the court order would have some merits. It would have its powers. But it is null and void because it came after all the processes that had been done. Now, which means Ruto and his legal team have tried to navigate every legal process and have tried to look at every angle that might make Kithure Kindiki not viable to hold the office of the deputy president. And they are seen none. That is why tomorrow they are going to swear in Kithure Kindiki as the next deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Though lawyers and a lot of people have gone ahead to contradict the move by the National Assembly to make Kithure Kindiki the deputy president due to the court order from Justice Chacha of the High Court at Milimani Law Court. It doesn't matter. Whatever loopholes they try to find in the constitution and the law of Kenya will not count because they were late. And that is what Ruto played with. He was working against time. His people were working against time. The National Assembly was working against time to ensure within 6 hours after impeachment or 9 to 12 hours after impeachment, before the judges sit down and try to find whatever was filed, they will be done with the justice system of the country. Though it is supposed to take 60 days for a new deputy president to be nominated and vetted, President William Ruto wanted even it to be done today. And Kithure Kindiki was supposed to be sworn in leo saa 10 at the State House katika ikulu ya Kenya. He was supposed to be sworn in. Alikuwa kule kiapo as the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. But because that court was issued and it was directed to the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, then Ruto had to sit down with his legal team and even the National Assembly to sit down with its legal team to try and verify whether they had violated any laws in whatever they had done. And according to whatever we are seeing, they had every merit. The law is in support of them. Everything that was done is in support of them. But I want to read a certain tweet by Miguna in regards to this. Miguna says, with the Venerable Justice Chacha Muite's stay orders against the appointment of new deputy president, the Chief Justice Mother Koome cannot preside over the swearing in of Kithure Kindiki, and assuming they manufacture a new Chief Justice to swear in Kithure Kindiki, no swearing in can occur after 2 p.m. No swearing in of a deputy president can occur over the weekend. And what will Ruto do when Gachagua shows up at Mashujaa Day event in a wheelchair wherever Ruto is going to be? Will they lock him out of the function? A footnote. The CJ knows she is next in line to be hounded out through Ahmed Nasri's mob justice so that Wetangula can be appointed the new Chief Justice, Otiende Amolo, the Speaker of the National Assembly, and Kimani Ichung'wah, the new Cabinet Secretary of Interior. Now, that is a message by Miguna. But looking at the merits and everything and the Constitution of Kenya and how this thing played out, there is no chance that Kithure Kindiki won't be sworn in. By Monday, when Madaraka Day will be happening, Kithure Kindiki will already have taken hold as the Deputy President of Kenya and will be presiding over Madaraka Day celebration in Kwale alongside President William Ruto. Maoni ni yako kwenye comment section. What is your take?